We're back on the road again. We're on the road again.
Good one day at home, Jazz.
Getting up at 4 AM. I now know how the rock feels. Apparently it does it every day. We're back at the airport. Today's actually a pretty exciting day because we're training with a female CrossFit Games athlete. But first, we have to fly all the way to Sweden to do it. I'm not complaining. No biggie. Awesome. Oh, there's the terminal bus. We're gonna miss it. Don't like flying. Never really have. I'm planning on doing some lifting in the airport, Jess. A few heavy squats.
Using YouTube and then seeing people. I've never met anyone from YouTube in person. Like,
well,
you're doing really well.
Now you're on the vlog.
Congratulations.
Meeting the team everywhere. Steak and eggs.
Should we get one?
It's a dog speaker.
I should have done something like that, shouldn't I?
I know, yeah.
Seen it.
Just put the side
They've
got their faces cut out and everything.
There we go. You okay? How's it going? Good. Can't really complain. No. Can't make any excuses.
Yeah, but I mean, we've been sitting in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like your shoes.
This is the Games training. We need to introduce.
Definitely a nervous poo WOD this one.
When you see 40 calorie air bike a couple of times.
Just strength, accessory. Here, Bulgarian split squats with the barbell.
We're back at CrossFit Strucka.
We are. And today we are training with a very special lady whose arms are 100% more hench than mine.
My legs are so tired after this. Yeah.
Team, this is Camilla Hellman. Camilla Hellman, team.
Hello team.
What did you just do 2 weeks ago?
I got to the game.
From probably, arguably, one of the hardest regions for the ladies.
Yeah, it was hard. I'm still trying to recover from it.
Does it feel real?
Yeah, it feels real. I mean, I started training for the games on Monday. That felt real.
What was it like being against like Sarah and Annie and...
I've been competing against them before. I know they're machines and
You've now just joined the machines.
yeah, and I felt this year I was competing with them, not like with the rest of the field, you know? I was really feeling that I was competing against them and not being like a level under.
And now we're going to train with her.
Yeah.
She's going to kick all of our asses. And show us how it's done. How do you feel?
I feel exhausted. My legs are smashed. But I don't usually feel like this.
It's not every day you go in the gym though, right? And you're like, oh yeah, I feel great and I'm killing it.
No, that's true.
Some days it's like this and you just got to get it done.
It's the third day of training, so maybe that's the thing.
These days are what separate you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's not like I'm going in the gym thinking, wow, this is gonna be easy. It's more like, I'm happy if I get through it.
Has your mindset changed this year compared to last year?
Definitely.
What in what way?
I just believe more that I am one of the best in the world. Because last year I was still thinking that I was a level under.
Instead of going like, oh, I'm gonna place, you're like, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna...
Yeah, confidence and food. Like,
What's happened with your diet?
I just eat 4 big meals instead of like trying to find the perfect food in small meals. Like, I just eat food and I eat 2 hours before training and just 1 hour after. Like 4 times a day, it's perfect.
Are they the same meals every day?
More or less.
Nice.
It's like chicken and rice, mostly stews, like minced beef or minced chicken and bulgur and rice and potatoes. Like almost the same, but mixed.
Food and mindset. Biggest thing. Have you seen the Fronin taking the piss out of Ellie rope climbing?
I don't think so.
Where he does this. It's so great.
That was a really good impression.
Yeah, I try what I do. This workout's going to be pretty tasty, it's going to be pretty fun.
Får jag lägga den där?
What? It's Swedish, I have no clue what she's saying.
So we've got to do some training.
What's the workout?
It's gonna be 3 sets of 40 calorie air bike, 10 deficit handstand push-ups, 2 inches deficit, 4 rope climbs, and 10 strict handstand push-ups, 4 minutes rest, which means go hard.
I'll be getting off and filming. It'll probably take me like the same time to do the 40 calories as it will to take you lot to do the entire round.
Dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
How did she sleep through the whole thing?
Oh, she falls asleep when she gets here. Just styrka baby.
Just fast asleep. Blaring music. Fun?
It's great.
Good pump?
Yeah, definitely.
Better than bodybuilding?
Yeah. 100%.
You see now, when the music goes down, she wakes up.
No way.
Yeah.
My shoulders blew up in that. Real fun. And the rope climbs, I should have gone a little bit quicker, but they get a bit nerve-wracking when you get a bit tired. Like you're like, oh, am I going to fall? Finished in 25:15. Oh, I got ringing in my ears from being upside down. Huh? Yeah, from being upside down. 25:15. I would have got like 24:15, but I failed my last handstand push-up. And then literally had to wait a minute until I was fully recovered. Sometimes you rest a little bit more, you'll go quicker. I just went for it and missed. You learn from it though.
Now it is to bodybuilding. I think you can tell who've bodybuilded before.
When you failed your handstand push-ups and then you try and do these. Bad news. Post-Murph. No triceps.
Do you usually do this much accessory work?
Yeah, a lot.
Every day?
Yeah, more or less.
Nice.
Not every day, but like 4 days a week.
How does your training now change? Or does it?
It's more like go to muscle failure instead of like doing aerobic stuff, I would say. So like, and instead of having a workout consisting of different muscle groups, I can have a workout consisting of like the same muscle group. Like for example, on Monday I had bench press, push-ups and ring dips. It's like JT. But
Is there anything that you're dreading at the games?
Sorry, is there anything that
you are not looking forward to in the games?
I wouldn't look forward to like one rep over a squat or like something like that, which is like because I get really shaky when I get tired in the overhead squat.
Oh, nice.
So
I always ask this to like all of the pros. What goes through your head when you're dying in a workout and you want to quit?
I guess it's just, I'm dying, I want to quit. But luckily it doesn't happen very often. Like I don't tend to get those thoughts. I think I got it like this, you know, event 6 at regionals. When I was doing that working in training, that's when I felt like I'm dying, I want to quit. But luckily I had my coach there telling me to continue. So his voice overtook mine.
Oh, nice. Hard. Looks easy.
It's really hard to do 2 seconds up and 2 seconds down.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like the material better.
Look at this team, old school, last summer. Yeah, what does it say on the back?
Living the dream.
Yeah. You can't see it, but yeah. Living a dream.
Jasmine Schwarzenegger.
Someone stop her.
I've lost count now already. Pretty sure
6,
that's 5.
Yes.
I have a question. Is Matt Fraser beatable?
No, I don't think so.
Nope, neither do I. Is Matt Fraser beatable?
Well, I don't know. If he came here, maybe. It's brave, wouldn't it? No, he's not. Not by me, that's for sure.
What about you, Jess?
I don't know. I'd give him a run for his money. That's for sure.
In a pizza eating contest.
Yeah. All right. Calm down.
Hit the show.
Nice t-shirt.
I'm gonna work in
Thanks.
1 hour.
I wish I could do it justice.
Yeah. I love the coaching, but I just get too tired from it.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
I'm not surprised if you're doing those workouts every day.
Yeah, but I mean, if I
to
could
the games
combine
and I'm
this
not.
training volume with more coaching, I would.
Yeah.
Do you do 1 session a week, 1 session a day, or 2 sessions a day, or is it a mix? Or
2 sessions every day. I mean, for the training days. The rest days is 1 or none.
so today that was only 1 of your sessions.
Yeah,
What did you do? Did you do this morning?
running.
Oh, nice.
It was hard.
I felt bad. I was like, oh yeah, I did pretty good today. I like held my own, and then she's like, oh yeah, I did running this morning. I'm like, oh, okay, maybe.
Camilla's already
tomorrow.
trained, and we're just dying on the floor.
But I wanted to give you some confidence, you know?
Yeah, thanks. Appreciated. Team, look at this. In the UK, we only have a select few flavours, and we do not have the ice creams, the ice pops, or the protein ice creams. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try one of these forever.
Have they got caffeine in like the drinks?
Nocco Cola Pop.
Ones are like strawberry white magnums.
Please
and
can I try one of those? Oh my god. I have literally been waiting so long to try this.
We have just confirmed that we are pretty sad.
Oh my, I'm gonna put this straight
Strawberry,
on my
vanilla, no added sugar, protein, ice cream. Unbelievable.
I'm literally
Well, that was pretty surreal, team. Fly in, straight to the gym, straight training with a CrossFit Games athlete of 2018. Rich, you did a good job at starting this trip off with a bang.
Yeah. I'm broken now. Really just started.
Yeah.
You know?
Rich and Patrick are the 2 people that made this trip happen.
Legends.
Legend. Oh, I love Calippo's. They're the best ice cream on hot days. Whoa.
Look how happy I am right now.
What do we do?
We don't quit. Actually, Alex showed me your vlog. I didn't know about you, so then I started from the very first season. So I've watched like 400 episodes. So I'm a little bit behind now because I have too much work. But I'm looking forward to see this one. Sorry.
What a guy.
What a way to end the first day.
You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. 'Cause I watch TV.
What did you just say?
I said my 7-year-old, when he sees you, he's going to have stars in his eyes because he's been watching all your videos.
Hi,
What's your name?
Joe.
And who's your favourite person in the world?
John Cena.
See how life is.